Greetings everyone, Nived here, and in this episode I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Air 3. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. Alrighty, so this is the iPad Air 3rd gen. This was released in 2019, which was 2 years back. Well, I'm really used to telling 2020, but now it's 2021. So happy new year, first of all. So anyways, let's just peel this cover off, and it's so satisfying. Oh my god, I know this whole unboxing experience is going to be truly satisfying. So yeah, oh my god, awesome. It's actually the first time I'm actually unboxing an Apple product. It's actually the first time that there is an Apple product in my house, so I'm glad. This is the box. Let's unbox it. Alright, let me tilt it this way so that you can see it. This is the most satisfying part. I've seen the famous YouTuber ZHC do this, and let me experience this for myself right now. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Unboxing things is a best way to release stress. Alright, so here are some paperworks, and here is the charger brick, and I need to get used to this thing because I've never used an Apple product, so all of these are so new. And here is the lightning cable. It's not a USB type C, but I don't care, it's a lightning cable, and that's enough. That's cool. Alright, so let's power it on. Oh, it's turning on. Yeah, here's the Apple logo. So yep. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I've unboxed it. I'm going to set it up, and I'll be using it for the next couple of weeks, and the review will be coming soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, like this video. 100x video.